Let's cross counties, and women from Kajiado Central have benefited from a free training on manual hay harvesting and storage in a bid to boost milk production and empower them economically. The program, sponsored by Brookside Dairy, aims at ensuring there is a constant supply of milk during dry spells. The initiative followed concerns from farmers who are willing to harvest hay but lacked skills on how to do it. The training entails hay harvesting using slashes, machetes, and wooden box or manual hoe to package the hay. Farmers are also enlightened on how to sort out weeds from the grass before packaging. The program seeks to reach 5,000 women in 6 months.
Njia ya kufuga ng'ombe bila kuhamahama ni njia ambayo imenisaidia, kwa sababu nimeweza kufunga sehemu ya shamba yangu na nikakata nyasi, na kitu ile nimetumia kukata nyasi ni slasher. Kwa hivyo sijaenda kutafuta kitu ya gharama nyingi.
Sio lazima mtu awe na borehole ndio akate nyasi ama hifadhi nyasi.
Today we have demonstrated on hay production, how you can simply use manual production of hay making. We make your bales without even using mechanized system, which is adoptable by most of the farmers.